Hi, this is Sean from Martell's Coins, and today we're going to be talking about our weekly amazing graded coin buys. Hi, today we're going to be talking about some major coin buys we did over the week. We've got a few dozen graded coins, either from Pcgs or Ngc, old holders, new holders, different variety of things from dollars to pennies, and hopefully we'll share it with you guys and see what you guys think. First coin up is an 1894 MS62 Barber quarter. A little bit of toning, but very nice uncirculated shape. Next up, we have 1921 D Mercury dime in fine 12. Get a little close-up view of that. Very nice original color. One of the semi-key dates of the Mercury series. Couple of little rattle action old original PCGS holders. First up, we got a 38D and MS65. Nice little brilliant luster for a Buffalo nickel. Then we have 42D Mercury dime and MS65 full bands. Get a close up for you guys. See that full bands in the back? There's a better picture. There you go. Very nice coin. Standing quarter series, we have a 1917D Type 1 and XF45. Nice original mint luster. Still hidden underneath. Iowa old commemorative coin. MS66 by PCGS. Then we have a common date, Walking Liberty half, but it's an MS65. Nice white coin, nice original luster. Nice little cartwheel effect when you turn the coin. And then we got some Morgan dollars. First up is an 87 all. Nice uncirculated coin. A little bit the harder to find coin in uncirculated grades. Not too expensive, but not as easy to find. This is MS63. Nice coin. Then we have a pair of 1880 over 79 Morgan dollars from San Francisco, and both of them are 63. And go a close up of the first one. Very nice coin. And 1880 over 79, you look in the zero right in top. There's some etching. If you can see it right on top in the inside of the loop of the zero, if you see the etching on an 1880, it means it's a sign of 1880 over 79. Nice coin. Beautiful forest grade. An 80S Morgan dollar, but MS65 grade. So very nice MS65 coin. Not a bad buy if you're interested in something like this. Then we go back to the PCGS original holders. This is an 1884 Carson City in MS63 by PCGS. Very nice white lustrous coin. Really like this one. Very sharp. Then we got the first year 1878 over 7-tailed feather. And this one is a PCGS MS63 in a newer style PCGS holder. Then we got a beautiful toned 1881 Morgan dollar. 81s, although fairly common, they're harder to get in higher grades. Beautiful orange, purples, blues in this coin. Very nice. And this one was MS64 by NGC. Very nice, beautiful coin. Then we got a little bit harder date of the Morgan dollar series, or even a harder Carson City also. It's the 1890 Carson City. And this one is an MS62. Nice coin. Another semi-key date Morgan. This is 1892 from New Orleans. So an 1892 and this one was MS64 by PCGS. Nice, beautiful coin. All these coins will be available on our retail site, HortelsCoins.com. So if you're interested, just go to our website. Again, it's HortelsCoins.com. Beautifully toned, 1885 Morgan dollar. Very sharp coin. Very nice eye appeal. And this one is an MS65 by PCGS. Another Morgan dollar. This is 1897. Nice white cartwheel luster. Little toning, half moon toning on the back. And this one is MS65 by PCGS. A little more into CCs. This is 1881 Carson City. White coin. Cartwheel luster. Beautiful back. This one is MS64 by PCGS. Very nice coin. Then we got an 1884, another Carson City. And with a flick of a light, you can see it's a 62 dimple. You can see the mirror fields when I hit in the light just right. In the front and on the reverse. Yep. Nice little mirrors in the background. Nice coin. And this originally wasn't a GSA holder. Very nice. Couple more Rattlers, old PCGS original holders. We got a 1944D Mercury dime with, again, full bands. Nice sharp coin. Then we got a 38D. I like picking up these old original holders. What's good about them, they're pretty inexpensive. It's neat to own something in the original PCGS holders. Very sharp coin. Very, very nice original luster on the coin too. Another commemorative Iowa MS66. This one's white. The other one was toned. But this one is a nice white coin. Next up is a peace dollar. MS62 by PCGS in 1926. Then comes my favorite one of my bunch. I've never owned one of these before in this type of grade. As you can see, it's an Indian. And one thing you notice about it is the mirror finishing, which means this is a very sought after 1877 proof Indian cent. Very nice coin. Very, very hard to find. I think there's only like a few on eBay right now for sale. So you don't come across these too often at all. And this one is an older NGC holder in a proof 64 red brown. So very nice coin, very rare. And I'm glad I can share this one with you guys. Very psyched about purchasing this one. Next up, another Indian cent. One part of the semi-key date series. This is a 1908. And on the bottom, you can see it. The S Mint. Very nice original copper luster. And this one is Pcgs MS65 Red. Very nice coin. Then we got a couple high-end common date Morgan dollars. As you can see on this coin, there's hardly any tick marks in the face. Nice and white. And this one was MS67. And then we got one more 67. But this one, because the colors and the eye appeal, this received the star designation for NGC. And they marked these coins with high eye appeal for the grade. It's a very nice coin. Next up is older PCGS holder, 1909S. Very nice white coin, no spotting. And this is a 66 red. Very sharp coin for a first year Lincoln cent. Next up we have a very beautiful, for the grade, I think, MS65 1880 Carson City Morgan dollar. Very sharp coin. Nice example of the 80cc Morgan dollar. Next up is another harder to get coin. This is a 1901 from New Orleans, or 19010. And this is MS66 by PCGS. Nice coin. Another Morgan dollar. And as the other earlier CC, you can see the mirror finishing on the background. Very nice. And as you can guess it, this is a dimple. So this is 1879S Morgan dollar MS64 dimple by NGC. Very sharp coin. I love the reverse on this one. Last coin is a nice little 3-cent type coin. Very nice condition, as you can see. And again, mirror finishing, so this is a proof. But very sharp proof for the grade. Excellent eye appeal. And this one is 65 Cameo. 1881 by PCGS. Very nice coin. Nice little 3-cent type coin. Alright, that's what I got for today. It's pretty good weekly buy of coins. I'll be trying to share some more with you guys. I got a bunch of stuff from the grading company coming back, and I will definitely share that with you guys. Hope to join your future videos, and always please like and subscribe. Thank you.